The Aprilia Tuono V4 Factory is a high-performance bike with new lines, new aerodynamics with integrated winglets, a MotoGP-style swing arm, advanced electronics, and a whopping 175 horsepower. Improved ergonomics, more enjoyable riding. The new design focuses on ergonomics with a new fuel tank and a seat lowered by 9 millimeters, increasing roominess in creating a more comfortable fit with the fairing and a more natural and relaxed riding position, even for taller riders. Maximum power of 175 horsepower at 11,350 revolutions per minute and peak torque of 89.2 pound-feet at 9,000 revolutions per minute. Comply with Euro 5 requirements, further enhanced by a new lightweight exhaust. Also new is the Magneti Marelli 11 megapixels ECU, with its data calculation capacity to create advanced algorithms to improve power and performance. The chassis, already a benchmark in efficiency and feel, is further enhanced by the addition of a new lightweight aluminum swing arm with reinforced lower struts. Power and electronic control for perfect performance. Powered by a 65 degrees 4-cylinder V engine with unique characteristics, the narrow V architecture provides better weight distribution and allows for a more controllable chassis. The collaboration between Aprilia and Alpinestars continues, resulting in a complete clothing line dedicated to the Aprilia V4 model. The throttle leather full-body suit delivers exceptional performance and fit. The Tuono V4 Factory confirms its reputation as an adrenaline-pumping bike, getting the heart racing and the pulse racing, and delivering unrivaled fun on both the road and the racetrack.